Are you struggling to manage your e-commerce business data? You're not alone. Many find it overwhelming, but there's a solution. Meet DataHawk, your unified analytics platform powered by AI. With DataHawk, enjoy hassle-free data management that tracks performance across multiple channels. Our automated data collection means no more wrangling, just clean, organized insights at your fingertips. Maximize your efficiency with seamless integration into your favorite tools, like Power BI and Google Sheets. Our AI alerts you to opportunities, guiding you toward actionable insights tailored to your needs. What sets us apart? Our exclusive access to marketplace datasets from around the globe, covering every Amazon market. Don't wait. Book your demo today and elevate your e-commerce strategy with DataHawk.